Hey everyone, welcome to Auto Attention. So today we've got this Audi A4 receiving our birthday package. We're going to take you through and show you everything that's involved in that birthday package and why it's going to be good for your car. So we start off with a full exterior deep clean. So we clean out all your wheels and wheel barrels and your inner guards, whether they're plastic or carpeted. We scrub out all your door jambs and intricate areas where dirt and grime likes to get built up. And we then clay bar the car to remove any surface contaminants that are stuck on there that a regular wash won't get off. We then proceed to start our paint correction process. So this will remove around 60 to 70% of any swirl marks in the paintwork, and it'll also remove any oxidization and general fading that's dulling the finish of your paint. We then top it with our own personal custom wax, which will make that paint really pop. We'll also rejuvenate all the other exterior aspects of your car, such as your plastics, rubbers, and glass, to make sure that they all match. We also offer our interior package, which is a full interior clean, steam clean of any carpet and fabric inside. We do a full leather clean and condition for any leather that's in there. And we also brush out all those air vents and brush out any gaps that are hard to reach and don't generally get cleaned with a general clean. We also offer a engine bay add-on. So for this, we do a full engine bay degreasing and cleaning, and we dress all the plastics that are inside the engine bay too. All right, so we've completed our birthday package on this Audi A4. As you can see, it's looking a hell of a lot shinier, definitely a lot glossier. So we started with our decon wash. We cleaned up all the wheels and wheel barrels so they're all nice and silver now. All the wheel arches were done and we've just finished them off with a bit of wax and tyre shine. We corrected the paintwork. The paintwork's been the biggest transformation on this car, so we probably removed about 70 to 80% of defects in the paintwork, which obviously rejuvenates it really well, makes it nice and deep and shiny and glossy. We've also rejuvenated all the plastics and rubbers on the car, specifically the window shroud, which is the first one to always dull off. Cleaned out all the door jambs, so they've all been cleaned and waxed as well. All the rubbers are nice and black again in there too. And even in the petrol flap, has all been cleaned and waxed. We cleaned out in between all the badges. They've all been cleaned and waxed too. And this car has been given a birthday.